from Nashville, Tennessee. He is the Ginger Ninja, Bruce Samuel.
The Ginger Ninja.
This is
now.
Whoa! This is what the
You
chop!
gotta be kidding
Holy
me.
smokes!
You gotta be kidding me! There ain't no way!
What the what?
Good grief!
and the winner of the match, the Ginger Ninja, Bruce Samuel.
Samuelson pulled that off.
Holy smokes! What?
Did y'all, that is the Ginsu chop?
The Ginsu chop.
You just about knocked his brains out with that chop.
That's almost like a Judy chop.
Don't play anymore.
All right, well, there you have it, folks. Bruce Samuel just pulled out the Ginsu
Wow.
chop. I don't want none of
I don't like
those
this kid,
hands
but
are dangerous.
I gotta give it
To
credit.
this match.
Oh
my
avalanche
God.
in the corner.
To the
Oh!
second turnbuckle. Up to the top for the medic. Oh! The Ginsu chop!
Got it. The Jinsu chop. And that's it. Wow.
2 in a row for the Ginger Ninja with that Ginsu chop. Holy smokes!
Ninja Ninja really has found his secret weapon.
He has found a secret weapon, and he doesn't.
Here's your winner, Bruce Samuel. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here. For Chad Bartlett, we are SOM. Come get some. Folks, we want to thank each and every one of you that joined us last week, all our fans in Georgia who joined us in the historic Brazelton Gym. Quite a night of professional wrestling action. And right now we're just a week away from Christmas, Star Wars, the Bunkhouse Stampede, War Games. It's all going down at the Johnson City Community Theater just 1 week from tonight. Right now, folks, some of the participants who will be taking place in that War Games matchup. Right now, Chad Bartlett, along with Judas and the rest of the family, standing by. We're going to take you to them.
Spaceman here for SOM Live, standing here with Judas and the family ahead of the big Bunkhouse Stampede.
Which I won last year. Anyway.
Now you guys are gonna be in War Games this year. In the Dooleys and Logan Henderson, they have a secret partner that they're gonna bring out. That don't nobody know who it is.
Nobody wants to be known that they're associated with the Dooley Spaceman. Doesn't that make sense to you?
Makes a lot of sense.
If you had to go in there with them, wouldn't you want to keep it a secret?
No, I kind of like the Dooleys.
Public execution inside a steel cage? When we put some iron in their diet, raking their faces up against the side of it? I would want to keep that a secret too.
Follow me right up here, Spaceman. When you get into War Games, it's just like putting me behind bars. I don't take crap off anyone. Doolies, bring who you want. Because when you get in there with a family, there's nothing but blood, pain, punishment, and aggression from the family like you've never experienced before. Spaceman, you might as well sing their eulogy because the family is out for blood and maybe even murder. Logan Henderson, Doolies, I hope you had a nice little Christmas. Logan, I hope that you and Riley sat by the tree and had cocoa and exchanged your knitted sweaters and whatever teenage kids do these days. I hope there was a mistletoe hanging on the ceiling, and I hope that you got a good, long, wet kiss, Logan, because I know you probably never had one. But I tell you what you should be kissing, Logan. You should stick your head between your legs and kiss that ass goodbye. Because at War Games, Logan, your ass belongs to me. You've never been in a real war, kid. was like the shit blood kid. But Elspeth, steel cage. You're in for the beat of your life.
Yeah.
I'm going in first because I'm the caged animal kid.
Bronson Garrett absolutely losing it. This War Games match
I done lost it, Spaceman.
is gonna be off the charts. This is Spaceman for SOM Live. You guys make sure that you get down to the Johnson City Theater December 28th for War Games. Spaceman for SOM Live. You guys keep it locked. For SOM Live, standing here with the Dooley cousins and Logan Henderson ahead of Christmas Star Wars, December 28th in Johnson City. Silas?
Let me tell you something, Spaceman. Over the course of these past few months lead up to this here War Games thing, I've had a plan. And I've been pulling strings. I've been making things happen. And they've been wondering about who our fourth partner might be leading into this. But who knows? That's for the White Claw Outlaws to unfortunately find out after it's too late. It's going to be a good time. I'm looking forward to seeing the looks on their faces. But I got a plan.
Let me tell you something, Spaceman. If I'm that fourth man, and they know what happened to Georgia, they know what happened to Georgia. They don't want me in that cage with those boys, because let me tell you something, I'm going to deal out some more ass whoopings for them guys.
Man,
do you hear me?
Yeah, you gave him plenty in Georgia, Jimmy.
Austin Henry, he was screaming like a little baby in Georgia. Did you see?
Yeah,
he was screaming like a little baby. Huh? You know what? The White Claw Outlaws. I told you what White Claw is, right? When they drink White Claws, they're a bunch of candy asses. They better hope that Uncle Jimmy Dooley is not in that War Games, okay? Who knows who it's going to be, boys? Logan, I know you got something to say, son.
I'll say this. December 28th at War Games, you will see a version of Logan Henderson you have never seen. Bronson Garrett, you have gone too far when you put your hands on Riley. And I will make you pay for it. You say that you're first in War Games? Well, so am I. I'll see your ass in there.
Well, there you have it, a fired up Logan Henderson. We don't know who the fourth member of the team is going to be, but if it's these guys right here, the White Claw Outlaws, Logan Henderson and the family are in some serious
Well, let me tell you
trouble.
something. Bronson Garrett wants to stand out here and run his mouth all the time. Well, I'm going to tell you something. He talks about a dentist and all this kind of stuff, making fun of people out in the front row of our shows. Well, let me tell you something. If I'm in that thing, you better be going to the damn dentist, boy, because I'm going to knock your teeth down your throat. Because I've had it with them. All they want to do is yap, 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 run that mouth, run that mouth. Won't you get in the ring, back it up, boys.
Well, there you have it. The tide may turn on the family December 28th. If you want to find out, you got to be in Johnson City, Tennessee.
All right, Ricky, unlock the cage. Let's out of here.
Did you just lock us in here?
Yeah, I was trying to make it believable with the...
Well, I believe we're stuck now because you did that.
Well, this is Spaceman for
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Jeez. Help! Janitor! He
Help!
was just here not too long.
Allow me to introduce to you the greatest force in pro wrestling today. The greatest tag team wrestler to ever step foot through these hallowed halls. The loaded gun, Chad Bartlett. The greatest East Tennessee champion of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, the real outlaw, Brian Rivers. The youngest, hardest, up-and-coming superstar on this roster. The alpha male, Austin Henry.
Seems like who's going to be the first
Dooley
one to
doesn't
run
look
in?
too scared now. Here comes the Dooleys. Here comes
Logan Henderson.
Riley Rocket.
Are you people sick and tired of these White Claw candy asses? Hey, let me tell you something. December 28th, boys, War Games. You want the Dooleys, Logan Henderson? Let me tell you something. The only people that drink White Claws are candy asses. And let me tell you something. I dare you. I cross the line. Come up here. Let's see a real man. You want a real man? Come on and get
Things
you
are
some.
heating up, folks, for War Games. December the 28th right there in Johnson City, Tennessee.
I've already said
everything I need to say to you idiots. Doolies have a much chance of beating us as Clemson does of winning the national championship.
Fact of the matter is, war is a brewing.
Just blasted him with that belt.
No matter what you think.
That's
it.
The winner of the match and still uprising champion, the Alpha Male, Austin Henry.
He just.
What the hell? What the hell's going on here? Why's the lights out again?
I don't know. Somebody just came in and.
What the hell? What the hell's going on here?
What just happened? The lights just went out and now Austin Henry. Obviously something just happened to him. I am stunned. The lights go out and somebody gets knocked out.
How's it going to be when we destroy him in front of you? How's he going to do? And enough with your racist comments, man. Nobody's tired of it. Everybody's tired of it.
Giving a little
So with
time
that said,
to the crowd.
Get this lady.
We have one more great
This
big
lady.
match. We got one more match tonight. Oh.
Wait a minute, there goes the lights. What is going on here? Who is that? We just saw.
Who is that? Who is that? It's happened again. This is the fourth time that we've seen the lights come out. And
Well,
people
usually
get
it's
assaulted.
members of the family. Who was that?
It's spread on to Devastation Corporation now. Who was that?
Somebody in the footage figure. I don't know.
I know they
We got a little help out here for
Like
Jason
whoever it
Live.
was.
Before it even started. Let's see another short arm lariat.
As you should know, it's over, Corky, whenever Brian Rivers says it's over. He don't need no referee. Whoa! Wait a minute. What is going on here? What is going on here? Hey! I told you I ain't in for this spooky crap. What? Hey! What's going on here?
Brian Rivers is down. Don't know if let's get up. Does his karate work better in the dark? I don't know, but folks, certainly a strange phenomenon here. The lights out. Brian Rivers out in the middle of the ring.
But the fact of the matter is, war is a brewing. And war means death, decapitation, and decimation.
Wait a minute, there go the lights again, folks. See the white claw outlaws go.
What was that? Was it the Angry Shadows again? Now I want to know who keeps turning out the lights and who keeps trying to attack us. I'm sick and tired of these assaults. We are Christian athletes and honorable human beings, and these people sneaking up on people with the lights cut off has got to stop.
Folks, give it up for the Atomic Dog, Pork Chop Johnson. Pork Chop, big announcement last week. You threw your name in the hat for the Bunkhouse Stampede Battle Royal, looking to win that big bronze boot. And well, you asked for this time. What you had something you wanted to get off your chest here?
I got plenty to say. First of all, I want to talk about that little freak, Principal Lee. I got a bone to pick with you. What's that you said I was in the back? You said I was something about pathetic? Why'd you come and say it to my face? I did you one better. Since you want to be all big and bad, why don't you enter yourself into the bunkhouse stampede and come say it to my face? Let's go, come on, you all big and bad, let's go, come on. What you say?
The atomic dog with a bone to pick, and I don't think you want him picking your bones, Prince Malik. What do you say? How about you, the manager, entering the stampede?
First of all, Mr. Porkchop, you don't know me, and my name never comes out of your mouth. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Also, what I'm going to say is, this will not be my first bunkhouse stampede. Not only will I enter the stampede, but I will win the stampede.
Hey, look
out!
There we go, baby. You better get out of the way, Corky. Uh-oh. We got a match now.
The golden ticket winner with a cheap shot.
Are you
from
all right?
behind on Porkchop. Porkchop whipped off the rope, stuck in the clothesline.
Are you all right?
Porkchop Johnson. Whoa! A crossbody press from the Atomic Dog. He's firing up on the Sultan of Dubai. Oh!
That ain't right.
Wait a minute.
He's going up top.
He's going for that pork-chop pound cake. The Atomic Dog flying off the top rope, and now Prince Malik in with that golden ticket briefcase, the same one that they hit RT3 with last week.
Right across the back of the head, Corky.
And wait, speaking of RT3,
Here comes Harambe.
Here comes the champ.
Shoot him now.
RT3 clearing out the ring.
Somebody needs to get a blow dart or something.
I don't see Sultan cashing in that briefcase right here today either.
Well, they stole his briefcase again.
RT3 is fired up.
He's a thief.
Hey, how about that? Porkchop Johnson with a win by disqualification.
It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
Wait a minute. Whoa. Porkchop, you heard him. He's got a bone to pick with these guys.
He's got rabies. He's got rabies. They need to put that dog down, and they need to put RT3, the Harambe gorilla, down.
That's absolutely ridiculous.
You got,
you heard him.
You got fleas and you got mange.
All right, wait a minute.
I've been itching ever since he came out here. He's got fleas, mange, and everything else. Keep it up.
From Derek Williams, tags into RT3, the Sultan.
Going to the back. Oh!
Huge spine buster, and it looks like Sultan is going to cash in. Oh, maybe he's not going to cash in the briefcase.
He's going to cash into that idiot's forehead.
RT3,
Bang, baby!
Makes a big. Wait a minute. Are we going to see this right here on SOM?
Is he going to cash it in
right
now?
Here on SOM Live, Sultan.
We could have a new champion.
He's got RT3 now where
we could have a new champion right here, Corky.
Wait a minute. RT3's up. And the Sultan thinks. Rocking that body slam. And delivers him big. RT3 goes around him. Whoa! Exit over the influence. 3 now in control. Wow. Oh, there's the spear.
The boot, the prestige, the money of the bunkhouse stampede. Being the baddest of the bad. Being the bull of the woods, if you will. 25, 30 men stampeded into one little bit of ring, you understand? With one thing in mind, to hurt somebody, to kick somebody's booty, to twist their arm off and put their ankles up in the chin. The Bunkhouse Stampede. If you want to just feel a little bit of how bad it is to be the baddest, to be the bull of the woods, then and only then, buy your ticket, walk in and sit down and watch Moo, the bull of the woods.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
Spaceman for SOM Live, ahead of Christmas, Star Wars, and the Bunkhouse Stampede. And right here with Alex Monroe, a participant in the Bunkhouse Stampede.
That's right, Spaceman. Not only a participant, but I think I've got what it takes. And for those that don't know what a Bunkhouse Stampede is or have forgotten, let me tell you exactly just what it is. 4 walls of steel, and every member of the SOM roster is going to be right in the middle of that ring, fighting and trying to win and survive. And I think I've got what it takes, and I will win and show you why I am the greatest at SOM.
That's right. Some confident words from Alex Monroe ahead of the Bunkhouse Stampede. It's going to be in Johnson City, Tennessee, December 28th, over at the Johnson City Community Theater. Folks, if you're in the area, we'd love to see you out. This is Spaceman for SOM Live. Here for SOM Live, standing here with the champ, the man, RT3, ahead of Christmas, Star Wars. In the cage, you got the Sultan for your championship.
Spaceman, December 28th is going to be a night of pure hell for the Sultan. He's come out here, he's ducked and dodged. There's been a lot of ducking and dodging going on here at SOM Live, but I can tell you what, and these people out here in the audience know that the Sultan has been the biggest one ducking and dodging me. And come December 28th, Spaceman, he's going to be locked in the cage with me, and he's not getting out until I walk out SOM Heavyweight Champion.
Well, there you have it, man. A real fired up RT3 ahead of his match with the Sultan, which is going to prove to be a violent affair. If you folks want to catch the action, you got to be in Johnson City, Tennessee at the Community Theater, December 28th. This is Spaceman for SOM Live. Y'all keep it locked.
Every single one of you is full of jokes, kind of like Draco. You know what's funny? You know what I'm about? I'm about the X-Division champion. I am about being the best wrestler on the roster. So you see Draco. What a claim for Dr. Draco is very, very good when it comes to playing his games, but every once in a while, the bell has to ring. And when the bell rings, I'm the man. The fact is, I'm 100 times better than Draco will ever be when the bell rings.
Whoa! Reversal and a cutter. That was Draco.
What I have come back to do is take that X Division title from Dr. Joe Briggs, Roger the Alien looking puto. Si ese imbécil tiene los huevos para entrar en la jaula, if Joe Briggs has the cajones to step into a cage with Draco, that will be his resting place and the last time he's ever gonna see that X Division championship again.
What a match. The fans loved it. There's the bell. Alan Brody puts it in. Right into that right hand. Wow. Kapow. From hard luck, Derek Williams gets a quick 3 count.
I'm having a hard time being mad about that.
See if I can get a word with Derek Williams ahead of his match next week. He's in the cage with Jason Blythe.
He's an idiot, but he knocked out the thief that stole my work balls.
Well, Derek Williams, hard luck, Derek Williams. Congratulations on your victory here today. Quick victory, and I want to talk about next week inside the cage. What's going down? Christmas Star Wars.
You know, Corky, here at SOM Live, the greatest promotion in all the world, we don't get paid by the hour. And I think I'm going to do the same thing that the big guy up in D.C.'s going to do. I'm going to run like a train like every one of them.
All right, well, best of luck to you, Derek Williams. You heard it, Derek Williams going to drain the swamp here at SOM Live. Christmas Star Wars, it's going down next Saturday, the 28th. at the Johnson City Community Theater. Folks, Derek Williams, hard luck, going to be in action against Jason Blythe. You don't want to miss it. Stick around for more, folks. We'll be right back after this. All right, folks, well, that's all. That's all for today here on SOM Live. I want to remind you,
I've had enough of this.
1 week from tonight, Christmas Star Wars.
What? I've had.
Well,
you know what? I've had enough of the disrespect from me, for the family, for the White Claw Outlaws.
What do they mean by? What do they mean by empty chamber, Chad Bartlett?
What they mean.
I thought you were the loaded gun.
Hey, all you idiots, shut your mouth. All you've done is disrespect the family. You disrespect the White Claw Outlaws, and we've had it. War Games is coming up, and you think all these idiots are so tough? I dare one of the Doolies, Logan Henderson, their mystery partner, one of them idiots to come out here and go one-on-one with the loaded gun.
Chad Bartlett with an open challenge, and, well, we've got an answer. Logan Henderson looks like going to accept a challenge from Chad Bartlett. Chad Bartlett stomping away. Cheap attack from Chad Bartlett, and now Logan Henderson firing back up. They're going to be facing each other in that War Games matchup. Chop block takes the leg right out from Chad Bartlett, and a cover, and here comes the entire family. Bronson Garrett, Austin Henry, Brian Rivers, and Tara O'Conley all out here feeding the boots to Logan Henderson. A boot party now. Here comes the Dooley cousins and Uncle Jimmy Dooley and Riley Rocket out here. Good gosh almighty, folks, what a melee. What's it going to look like a week from tonight in War Games? Folks, we want to see you next week at the Johnson City Community Theater. Huge night of matches. It's all going on in a cage. War Games, the Bunkhouse Battle Royal. Good gosh almighty, folks. We want to wish all our fans out here a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you next week for SOM Live. We got the lights down, folks, and sorry for this. There's BTSG. BTSG is in the ring. Folks, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We'll see you next week on SOM Live and at Christmas Star Wars at the Johnson City Community Theater next Saturday, folks.